Common properties of acid. In this video we are going to see the general properties of acid. An acid is a substance which dissociates or ionizes on dissolving in water, produces H plus ion or hydrogen ion. There are various scientists defines what is acid on the basis of which giving H plus ions in solution and protonates in solutions. So hydrochloric acid is an acid in water on dissociations. It dissociates into H plus ion and Cl minus ion. The formed H plus ion always in solution combines with water and present as H3O plus called hydronium ion. So all the acids in solution forming H plus ion, HCl and H plus and Cl minus, HNO3, H plus and NO3 minus, H2SO4, 2H plus SO4 minus. So acid generally defined as the acid is a substance in solution. It's give H plus ion on ionization or electron on dissociation. Seen that the acid is a solution which gives H plus ions in solution. For example, glucose of the formula C6H12O6, alcohol of the formula C2H5OH, as it contains hydrogen ion not defined as acid because the acid is a substance dissociation forming H plus ion. Glucose and alcohol not dissociates in solution to separate as H plus ion, so they are not comes under acid category. And also acid in solution as it forms ion, H plus ion goes to negative plate, Cl minus ion goes to positive plate. The movement of ion to the oppositely charged rods conduct electric current in electrolytic cell on electrolysis. So the acid solution is a good conductor of electricity. The glucose and alcohol not giving H plus ions in solution, not giving any ionic particle in solution, so they are not conducting electric current. So they are not acid, they are not good conductors. Shows the complete acidic behavior in solution on dissolution in the presence of moisture. Acid do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. For example, if we take a dry litmus, if it goes near to the acid surface, not showing any effect. But the fumes of acid changes the blue litmus into red color, the presence of moisture. So, in the presence of moisture or in the presence of water, the acidic behavior is high. So, the moist litmus paper, because of the fumes of acid, changes the blue litmus into red color. So, the moist litmus change blue to red. Shows the acids do not shows acidic behavior in the presence of water, or acid do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. Next one is the concept of strong acid and a weak acid on the basis of ionization. Strong acid is this acid which completely ionized in solution and gives large amount of hydrogen ions called strong acid. For example, hydrochloric acid with water, it forms the hydronium ion and Cl minus ion. So the strong acid is completely ionized in solution, which gives large amount of hydrogen ions in solution. Example of strong acid are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and nitric acid, HNO3. And strong acids react rapidly with metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate. For example, zinc carbonate, ZnO3. Metal hydrogen carbonate means zinc HNO3, zinc HCO3, Zn HCO3. So it forming respective salt will be formed. And the high concentration of acid, the more number of ion, more will be the conductance on electrolysis in electrical conductivity. So strong acids are strong electrolytes. Next one is weak acids. Weak acids partially ionized in solution. Because of the partial ionized in solution, they give only small amount of H plus ions in solution. So the weak acid example acetic acid, it ionizes partially in solution forming acetate ion and H plus ion. Example of weak acid is carbonic acid H2CO3, sulfurous acid H2SO4. As they are weak in nature, they react slow with metals, metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate. And as it gives only low ionizing power, giving less number of H plus ion, low number of H plus ions in solution, they are weak electrolyte. On if weak electrolyte, but if we dilute, add more amount of water in the specific volume of acid, in the particular volume, the number of H3O plus ion will increase. It's about weak acid, partially ionized, less number of H plus ion, partial ionization of acetic acid, weak acid. Example of weak acid, reacts slow with the metal and metallic salts, low ionization, weak electrolyte. On dilution in particular volume, the H3O plus ion increases.